Hello everyone, welcome back. Continuing SQL. In this video, we'll discuss about extracting data from more than one table. Till now, whatever we have learned, जितना भी हमने discuss किया, that everything was done upon a single table. Look at here. I made two tables now. One is student and other one is academy. The database name is same as school. Both of the tables are needed. Now my requirement is, suppose I need to print serial number, name, marks and result of both the student from both tables. I am not going to print the whole table, any of the table, either student or academy. मैं क्या चाहता हूं कि दो कॉलम यहां से, यानी कि अगर सीरियल नंबर 101 है तो सीरियल नंबर 101 का नेम यहां से आए और सीरियल नंबर 101 के मार्क्स और रिजल्ट यहां से आए. बिकॉज वर्चुअली व्हाट आई मेड बोथ ऑफ दीज टेबल्स कनेक्टेड थ्रू फॉरेन की. अगर कभी ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन आता है कि जहां पर दो टेबल्स आपको यूज करनी है, then it is very clear that the tables are connected. You must find one column which is the primary key of the first table is same in the another table as SR number we have done. The table name can be changed, but the data type and the size must be same. The values can be changed, but the type and the size must be same. So here SR number is given in both the tables. I need to pick the data from both the tables, but the problem may be, if suppose 101 is given here at first position, may be possible here it is given as fifth position. So how the data will be printed? If the system will take its position, the first position data is 101 in the first table, but fifth here in second table. So it can print the data of adding other serial number from the second table. To find the solution, we have it in the SQL to place the data from multiple tables. Look at it. I am going to write the values of these tables. Select SR number, name, marks, result from student, comma, academic. Right? Because we have taken the columns from both the tables, so we have given the names of both the tables. Where, this is important, where student dot SR number equals to academic dot SR number. Look at this way. Where student dot SR number equals to academic dot SR number. This statement, this is also known as equi-join. This statement will check the equality of the SR number in both the tables. Doesn't matter where it is placed. If it is placed at the same positions, very good. If it is not, so from here it is started and it will search the SR number 101 in the whole table where it will be matched or the identical value matched, so the same record will be executed. But I hope you understood this example. So multiple columns we can take from multiple tables, but we have to show the names of both the tables in from section. From this table, comma this table, or any other table is given, so comma that table. And we have to match the primary key and foreign key. The data must be matched, then only it will be executed, otherwise an error occurred. Just suppose the name is here of the student, but in this table the student name is S name. Suppose both of these things are same. Here also in this table the name of the student is placed as name. In academic also the name of the student placed name. SR number was same, but SR number we have matched here. Right? Because when both the things are equal, it can be taken from anywhere. But look at here, in this case, from which table the data should be placed? If name is given, I have given single name. But from which table? Either student or academic. So in that case, what we need to give the table name dot column name, as we have done here. Because SR number was same, the column name was same. So what we have done? Student dot SR number equals to academic dot SR number. In the same way, if the column name is same, we can write here student dot name or academic dot name, whatever required, whatever needed. From which table I need to extract the name? I have to place the name of that particular table dot the column name. Is it clear? Right? One more thing. We can use the object, the table object, to make the query more useful and more easy to understand. I am writing the same way. Select, suppose, S dot SR number, S dot name, A dot marks, A dot result from student S, comma, academic A, where S dot SR number equals to A dot SR number. What I did? I am using an object. I did not use the table name. I have used the table name while declaring an object. Declaring an object means write the object name that can not only be alphabet, it can be a word, anything, but to make it short, we have taken it as single alphabet. Student S means S is the object which is now going to represent the table student. A is the object which is now going to represent the table academic in this query. In this query I am telling you. So student space S, academic space A. You can say how can we use these names first before declaring them? So query execution is always starts from this area, from. First of all the tables will be initialized, then the conditions will be tested, then only the column names will be executed. So my dear student, dear children, student space S, academic space A. It means these two are the objects which are representing now the tables. So that S dot SR number means SR number and name are taken from table student. Marks and results are taken from table academic. And the conditions matched. Here is student dot SR number, academic dot SR number. Because these two tables are represented by S and A, so we have written here S dot SR number equals to A dot SR number. So we can use the objects also. But keep remember, if we are using object in a query, so the object must be declared properly. Object is case sensitive, keep remember. Object we have declared here in the query, so that object should be used in all the columns accordingly. Right? So we can extract data from more than one table, doesn't matter these are two, these can be 3 or 4. But tables are interlinked, should be interlinked. Foreign keys should be created. They must have the column in which the equality can be matched, so that the data can be matched and it will be extracted. So my dear students, by these ways we can extract data from multiple tables. Practice it, revise it, and try to make some queries from your school.